I was saved by a person in my faith, Jesus. And I think I no longer believe in a works-based faith. I believe in faith-based faith. It doesn't matter what I do moving forward. I've already been saved due to my faith in Jesus Christ. But if I could be an example, it's to save other folks. And in the area that I excel in, which is finances, I see a lot of people in bondage and debt and doing things that are sinful with money. And if I could come along and show them a better path and better prosperity, and that's my form of being, I wouldn't say a savior, because I never want to put myself on a pedestal at the equivalent of somebody like Jesus, but it is first and foremost about impacting lives. We get testimonials every single week. We had an event last week. One woman was in tears, and me and my whole team, we just lit up like that. That's what it's about. I mean, you cannot put a price tag on how it has saved her from this scenario versus what reality now looks like. Name's Michael Lush, founder, chairman of Replace Your University, Lush Enterprises. It was formerly only known as Replace Your Mortgage, but we've leveled up and we added more verticals to what we teach. So Replace Your Mortgage is showing people the alternatives to the death pledge that is a mortgage. So we show folks how to eviscerate a mortgage in a fraction of the time that it would normally take. We unveil the secrets behind the banking industry and how to really beat them at their own game. And then that's evolved into real estate investing, day trading. We get into mindset coaching, which is one of my favorites with Nate Bailey. And then Replace Your Retirement, which is leveraging insurance, properly designed insurance policies so that you can leave a lasting legacy. Because it's all for naught if you build any type of wealth and then it gets squandered away in taxation and you have nothing but to leave. And it's biblical to leave a legacy to your children. So that's what Replace Your Retirement does, is it shows people how to encapsulate everything you've built and protect it from taxation. And now you've got something you can pass on to future generations. Been married for 14 years. We are that couple that you look at me and you're like, okay, I can kind of assume what kind of wife he's gonna have. And then you look at my wife and like, yeah, that wasn't it. I didn't expect a supermodel. 3 months after we got married, she was pregnant. Just progressively every 2 years have had kids. Yeah, they're 5 boys. And having boys, I have an advantage that some men don't have. Some men didn't have a father figure in the home. My father was ever present. And I want to be that ever present father. Because he set such a good example, it's given me the blueprint of what example to be to my kids. So I can now take all the great things and exclude some of the things that maybe as a father I don't think were as great, and only implement the great things into my kids. And so that generation after generation, we're just producing better men. And I just see it systemic in our society, where that is a root of so many cultures' downfall, is the lack of father figures in the home. So if you want to learn any or all of these verticals, all of them are accessible on our website. So if you go to our website, Replace Your University, you're going to see all of our product suites. You'll see Replace Your Mortgage, Replace Your Mindset, Replace Your Employer, Replace Your Retirement, Replace Your Dollar. And here's what's really cool, is a lot of websites and companies out there are going to nickel and dime you for every little thing. We want you to at least get a foundation. So every one of these verticals, if you were to click on it and create your own profile, we have beginner and intermediate courses that are 100% free. We don't charge a penny. Just so you understand at a foundational aspect of what it is that we teach, it's 100% free. Now, obviously, if you want to get a lot of the strategic and more advanced training, then that's going to cost money. But just to understand the foundational aspects of it, every one of our verticals is 100% free. So you should at least consume that before ever entertaining having a free consultation with us. Take care.